Hello, fellow investors. Today, I'm here to share with you the top 10 ways to invest your money and avoid losing value. As a seasoned investor, I've seen the highs and lows of the market, and I'm here to help guide you towards financial success. Way 1: Diversification is key. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can mitigate risk and protect yourself from market volatility. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Way 2: Consider long-term investments. Consider investments such as stocks and real estate. These assets have historically provided strong returns over time, allowing your money to grow steadily and consistently. Way 3: Stay informed. Keeping up to date with market trends and economic news is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 5: Seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you navigate the complex world of investing, providing personalized strategies tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Way 6: Harness the power of compounding. Reinvesting your earnings can accelerate your wealth accumulation over time, allowing your investments to snowball into significant sums. Way 7: Don't forget about risk management. Understanding your risk tolerance and setting clear investment objectives can help you make prudent decisions and avoid unnecessary losses. Way 8: Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s offer tax benefits that can help maximize your returns and grow your wealth more efficiently. Way 9: Stay disciplined. Emotions can often cloud judgment when it comes to investing. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Way 10: Consider dollar-cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you can buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, smoothing out market volatility over time. In conclusion, by following these 10 investment strategies, you can protect your money and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time, stay informed, and watch your wealth grow. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found these tips helpful in navigating the world of investing and preserving the value of your hard-earned money. Until next time, happy investing!